Welcome once again in Techno Upendra channel. I am starting video of AutoCAD for beginner. This video is named AutoCAD for beginner part 2. In this video, you will learn the two commands of AutoCAD. First is move command and second is copy command. Not subscribe to my channel yet, subscribe and like Techno Upendra channel. Move command is used for displacement of the object or movement of the object in anywhere direction or a specified distance in the drawing sheet. For the move command, I go to the modify panel, left click the modify panel and go to the move, left click move, and you can show in command select object. You can select the object, but I go to the other process for move command. In the command, only write M and then enter. Move command is promote, select the object. And the last process for move command, go to the this toolbar and right click the move. Select the object and then enter. Specify base point. I choose the base point is here and displacement right. You can choose any other displacement for your requirement. If saw the movement of this object from here to there is 50 meters. You can measure the distance of the movement. You saw the movement of the object is 50 meters. And then you go to the any other direction for movement. Write move command, select the object, specify the base point. I choose here base point and move the object in any other direction. I learn copy command. Like move command, I go to modify panel, left click, drop my cursor, left click copy, receive, command promote select object, and another place of the copy command is in command type CO, then enter. You see in command select object, and one other process, go to this panel and direct left click copy and then select the object and then enter. Copy specify base point displacement mode displacement. I select the base point after copy. The object is here write the displacement or distance. I write 20 meter. The distance of the copy of two objects is 20 meter. Check from the dimension huge the distance of this point to this point is 20 meter. The displacement of this point and this point is 20 meter. You can also copy in any other direction in the drawing sheet. Then repeat the same process. Copy, left click and select the object. Specify the base point. I copy this direction. I write 25 meter. Check the dimension of the copy object. Then the direction displacement of the copy of the object is 25 meter. And again back to the object, and another use of copy command is left click the copy, select the object, select the base point and the second point of arrow. I use arrow, enter the number of items, how many copy of this object. I 1 to 4. This is second point of it. I 1 to 25 for the distance. There are 4 items of this displacement here. Copy of this object in same position and required distance number of copy is done in the drawing sheet. You may use for number of copy and displacement or distance of copy of the object.